This is a facial mask that you can use on your skin 2 to 3 times per week, and after using this for a few weeks, you're going to notice a significant difference to your skin. You're going to notice the fading of the fine lines and wrinkles. You're going to see that your skin is looking a little bit more lifted and a little bit more firmer. With continuous use of this, you will see amazing results. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in my kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on your skin.
Our first ingredient is rice, and today I'm using white rice. Rice will have to tighten and firm the skin. I'm using a 1/4 cup of rice, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this to a powder. After blending, here we have our rice powder. My next ingredient is carrot, and carrot is rich in vitamin A. Carrot will help to nourish the skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. What I'm going to do with the carrot is to extract the carrot juice. So I'm going to chop the carrot in small pieces for easier blending. If you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate the carrot. Now, once this is done, I'm going to add my chopped carrots to my blender. Now, once we add our carrots to the blender, we're going to put this aside and take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera leaf. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera helps to lighten, brighten, and hydrate the skin. Help to keep the skin soft and supple, and also get rid of hyperpigmentation from the skin. Once I extract the aloe vera gel, I'm going to add this to the blender along with our carrots. So place the aloe vera gel in the blender with the carrot. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a little bit of a liquid to this. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of hot water. Pour this in the blender on the carrot and the aloe vera gel. And next, I'm going to blend the 2 ingredients together, and I'm going to blend well. Now, after blending, I'm going to pour this in a strainer, since all I'm getting from this is the liquid. So go ahead, use a strainer to strain, or use a cheesecloth. And now here we have our aloe vera carrot juice. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put this aside and reach back for my rice. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the powdered rice, adding this to the blender. Next, I'm going to reach for some hot water, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the hot water, pouring this in the blender also. And I'm just going to take my spoon and just mix the hot water and the rice up. And then I'm going to reach back for the carrot aloe vera juice, and I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the carrot aloe vera juice, adding this to the bowl with the rice. And now we are going to blend to a creamy consistency. Now, after blending, take a look. Here we have our facial mask. I'm going to add one optional ingredient to this, and here I have some honey. Honey is a humectant, help to hydrate and lock the moisture in the skin. If you do not have honey, you can use some vegetable glycerine, or you can use a 1/2 teaspoon of a coconut oil, or even some olive oil. Now we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. And this complete our DIY anti-aging facial mask that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I'm going to pour this in my storage container. Any small jar will do. This facial mask is good for most skin type, and you're going to apply it and clean skin, completely cover your skin with the mask. And don't forget, this is also good for the face, the neck, and décolleté. Once you cover your face with the mask, you are going to let it sit on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's going to dry on the skin, and then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Rinse, pat dry the skin, and then go ahead and apply your favorite skincare products. This anti-aging facial mask can be used 2 to 3 times per week on the skin, and you can choose to store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Use weekly, and you're on your way to amazing, younger, fresher looking skin. Reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Lift, tighten, and firm the skin. Clear pigmentation from the skin. Refreshes, revitalize the skin, and give you that younger, natural glow to the skin.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And guess what? Leave those comment. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.